somebody cleaning their vehicle right outside my apartment. And it's like in the grass too. People are ridiculous. I'm not going to show my face in this video, but I did just want to let you guys know about that. But about a week or two after that, I finished summer classes finally, and summer classes are actually super high volume as far as like coursework and stuff goes, and I was taking 2 of them, and usually people take only 1, and I was working on top of that, so it was really hard to do stuff. And I did not expect this to happen, but me and my husband went to a pet store and we fell completely in love with 2 kittens about a week after my baby passed away. And so I have 2 bouncing, beautiful baby kittens now, and they have brought so much joy to my life since my baby passed away. So I wanted to show you guys something that my mother actually gave to me as a gift for them, because I was like, kitten warming party, and I was just joking, but she actually, like, everyone I know has just gotten me a bunch of kitten stuff, and it's so awesome. But yes, I wanted to show you, like, do an unboxing with it, and I also kind of want to do, like, a cat care video at some point in the future, but here it is. It's a cat carrier. Now, my other cat we have a carrier for her still, and it's a huge blue one, but it's not like this one where it's kind of like comfy for him. It's not like a bag. Like, I don't know if you can see it. It's a soft-sided carrier, and it seems like everyone has one of these for their cats nowadays. And so I'm like super pumped about this. And it says soft-sided cat carrier, easy load topper, side entry with locking zippers for stress-free travel. Mesh panels maximize airflow for pet control or comfort for pets up to 22 pounds. Unless your cat is really, really big. I don't think they're going to be 22 pounds. Most cats are like, adult cats are around 12 pounds. And, so yeah, these are for the kittens, and if you see any little cute balls of fur bouncing around in the background, it's them. Because my mother asked me, she asked me what to get the kittens and the cage that they were in, because I got them from a rescue, actually had a little tunnel that they really liked to be in, and I told her, if you really want to get them something, then get them a tunnel. So she said she figured this would be a really nice thing for them, and it really is. Like, I'm so grateful that she got this for me. So I guess it's like an early, well, since I don't know their birthdays, one of them was a stray, another one was an owner surrender, and I'm really glad that I was able to give them a home. Like, I'm so